I've been seeing more and more earthen buildings being constructed around the world lately, and I'm really happy to see these methods and materials for building are finally starting to catch on. I can only hope that my work has had at least some small part to play in this grand scheme of things. And lately, I made my book on cob building available for free on my website for people to download worldwide, because I really want to spread this message. And raising awareness and spreading the knowledge of earthen construction has become more important to my mission than ever before, and I'm in a unique situation for being able to share this too. And this is not to boast, but I've put together the largest set of online educational materials on earthen construction and natural building anywhere, and I've compiled it all into step-by-step online courses so people can get this education without needing to travel around the world or across the country to attend any expensive workshops. So with all that said, I'm massively discounting my materials and courses again over the next week, and all courses fees are slashed down 90%. I think this will give everyone the opportunity to afford this information and continue to spread earthen building knowledge. So I've bundled my cob video workshops along with the supplemental design course into one package at a 90% discount. So you're actually saving over $450 on this discount. It's only $50 this week for the whole package. So for $50, you're getting over 12 hours of video lessons, over 150 pages of educational reading on cob and natural building, and over 100 detailed design documents and notes on how to design a cob or earthen structure. So this is literally my lifetime of work knowledge as a builder, and is worth probably the same as taking 10 hands-on workshops. So you can download everything to your computer, and it's all yours to keep. Just click the link in the description below to get this huge discount on all my comprehensive video courses. So again, here's what you get with the online courses. There's 12 hours of video lessons where you can watch all my practical step-by-step cob building lessons. There's lesson PDF notes for every topic. You get 2 of my cob building ebooks and an hour of video lessons on designing cob and earthen natural buildings, and over 100 detailed design diagrams and my tiny cob house building plans. And here are some of the video lessons included in the course. You'll get an introduction to building with cob, get an introduction to natural building, design, site preparation, layout, selecting cob ingredients, and building foundations. You'll get lessons on cob mixing, foundations, and passive solar design, where you'll continue learning about how to build foundations and explore passive solar design, thermal mass, and insulation, and learn how to make cob. Cob walls, utility lines, and tractor cob. You'll learn about building cob walls, laying electrical and plumbing through cob, and how to mix massive batches of cob with a tractor. Windows and doors, codes, and permits. You learn how to install doors and windows in cob walls, trimming cob walls, building cob arches, and explore building codes and permit requirements. You'll also learn about earthen plaster and hybrid building. Learn how to prepare, mix, and apply earthen plaster and how to design a hybrid natural building. Roofing and natural finishes. Delve into roofing options and learn more about natural, non-toxic finishing options for your cob building. Earthen building methods and mechanized cob. Explore integrating more diverse earthen building materials, living roofs, Tadillac finishing, and more. Learn about lime plaster finishing. Learn how to source the materials, mix and apply natural lime plaster finishing, plus learn about bond beams and roofing piers. And I have a whole section on Tadillac waterproof finishing. Learn this rare and precious skill of Tadillac plastering, what ingredients to use, how to mix and apply and polish to a shiny, waterproof, and non-toxic finish. You'll also learn about basements and moisture protection, and learn about how to find a suitable architect for your natural building project, and a natural builder's guide to purchasing property. There's also a lesson on earth and floor integration, and there's actually much more. So again, all this information could cost you thousands of dollars if you take several workshops and try to piece it all together yourself, but I've compiled it all here over the years in a very clear format to easily digest. So again, just click the link in the description below to download the full course today and save 90%.